Greetings and welcome to episode 4 of my series titled Reviving Jamaica's Faltering Tourism Industry. Now, there is a Jamaican-owned travel service based in Birmingham, UK, which I oftentimes book my Jamaican yearly flights through. However, I have not used them for the past 4 years or so. Anyways, they oftentimes send me Virgin Atlantic and British Airways offers, both to Jamaica and to other Caribbean countries as well. Jamaican flights always seems to be more expensive than flights to other Caribbean countries. But why is this? Let us dig a bit deeper into these price differences to see what is going on here. Today's topic is, why are airfares to Jamaica so high, especially from the UK and Europe? Now, before I start, let me put in a disclaimer. My posts are not meant to categorize Jamaica in a demeaning or degrading manner. Rather, my posts are meant to identify the issues and challenges that we are facing in a bid to put pressure on our politicians to do what is right for the country. Feel free to leave your comments about the issues being discussed in this video. See the description section and the comment section for my notes and analytical figures and statistics. Now, I'm using North Atlantic Airline as an example for the price differences, because North has flights from London to Montego Bay starting at £559 return, while the same airline has flights from London to Barbados for £449 return. The distances are almost the same: 4,703 miles to Montego Bay and 4,202 miles to Barbados. Just 500 miles less to Barbados. Yet, it is almost 20% cheaper to fly to Barbados, or £110 cheaper. This could make the difference whether someone decides to travel to Jamaica or to Barbados. Likewise, for flights from London to Las Vegas, the prices starts at £399 return. The distance from London to Las Vegas is 5,217 miles, which is almost 500 miles more than to Montego Bay. Yet the cost here is even less than the price to Barbados. Hence, it was not the 500 miles difference why the price was less to Barbados than it was to Montego Bay. You know, the London to Kingston flight prices starts at £579, which is even more expensive than the price to Montego Bay, though Kingston is slightly further away from London than Montego Bay at 4,679 miles in the case of Kingston. The situation is even worse with the nearest city in the USA to Jamaica, because the flights to Miami starts at £159 one way, or £318 return. So at 5,217 miles, Miami is over 500 miles further away from London than Montego Bay or Kingston is. But the airfares start at almost half the price it costs to travel from Jamaica to London. However, for the best bargain from London to the USA, one would need to look at New York. Though the distance to New York from London is about a third less than to Jamaica or to Miami at 3,479 miles. However, the fares is just 1/3 of the other cities mentioned above at US $99 one way or $198 return. That would be about £150 return, which is almost a quarter of the price for the flight from Kingston to London. Please drop a comment to let me know what you all think. If anyone thinks that the above is not the case, feel free to drop in some corrections with some figures to prove your point. If you think my assessments are incorrect, feel free to participate. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister. God bless Jamaica Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.